Next stop, Crystal Lake.
Hello. Pulling it up on the bench. Would it be best to put them on the reduced day pass for students, and then us on 11 and 11 then?
10.
Okay, almost 11. For them, and then just do regular for us too? Yeah. Okay.
Near.
Accidentally took a shot.
Dad's trying to make it 11.
Don't make me 11. Well, actually, I'm almost 11, so. I'm gonna be 11 on September 23rd. I like trains. Whoa, it's a forest. If I put in slow motion. Hopefully Bigfoot's not there. But how long is this train ride? The train, I don't know how long it is, but here's the setup. Here's my mom. Here's me. Here's Scarlett. Here's my dad. So we're going to Chicago. I filmed on the guy when he was walking away. Ice cream museum. I should record the ice cream museum. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah. Guys, when we get to Chicago, I will record the ice cream museum. It's a cool place, though. But I've never been there, so. I'm gonna film there and I'm gonna take some photos. I'm uploading it to my YouTube channel because I haven't yeah. There's seats there, and then there's these seats they pull out. It's going really fast. Is that a problem? Oh, what was that sound? I think the train's braking. The train's not braking, Scarlett. Please keep feet on the floor. Look, it's an ice lake. It's covered in ice. Thin ice. You're on thin ice, pal. Oh, is that another train? Yeah, that's a train. They're not moving though. Oh, there's train tracks.
Do you want to see our old house?
Oh yeah, our old house. Okay. Our old house is where?